We are happy that if more tourists come to this area, it will uplift the local economy so that we develop and we get foreign exchange and also create employment for our people. Vizuri to market Murang'a kama eneo la kiutalii, kwani kuna mambo mengi sana ambayo yanaweza saidia wananchi wa Murang'a watalii wakija. Watu wengi hawako wanafikiria kuna facility kama hii, na hivi sasa watu wametoka jumuiya ya mashariki ya Afrika kuja kutembea pa Murang'a.
My call to the counties is that we forge partnerships. We work together with the national government and each other. Every county is well endowed with products that can promote tourism. I also want to assure you and to assure the county governments that my ministry will be there to cooperate and to partner so that together we can promote tourism in the counties, not only for domestic tourists, but for international tourists.